Michael, the witness on the stand says he saw his mother get hit, and then there was this reaction. Is there a danger at all of there being jury nullification, realizing that these are sons and a father, a husband, who is reacting to an assault on the mother, who we also heard take the stand, very emotional testimony? Do you worry that the jury might not strictly follow the law and look at self-defense, but say, look, this was a man who was just trying to defend his wife, and it should not have ended in death?
So what I will say is I'm stunned at the demeanor of this defendant, because this is his case to lose. Right. So there's a video showing him standing in his garage and warning the people that are attacking him. His family member was telling him, you don't like what he's going to have for you. Right. But his demeanor is so awful. Just look at the picture of this kid. He just looks, I feel bad for saying this. He kind of looks like a demon a little bit. Right. Whereas the witnesses for the prosecution are emotional. They're crying. This kid has to show a little bit more empathy. Now, obviously, I'm not in the mind of his attorneys. Maybe they told him this, but he's not capable of showing empathy. But look at this kid. I mean, he just does not look bad. There's a jury in the same room as this kid at this point. There's a jury looking at him. They're watching. We're seeing it on camera, but they're seeing him in person. Several jurors are seeing that face that we're seeing on camera right now. He's got to show some empathy. This is his case to lose, right? And all he has to do is show some empathy. And it'll go a long way, because these jurors are human beings. They're not robots. They're going to make these decisions in a closed room. We're not going to be there when they're deliberating. They might not even verbalize their concerns to one another. But I can tell you right now, every single juror is seeing this kid, and they're seeing the lack of empathy. A man was murdered, even if you believe you were defending yourself, right? You've got to show some empathy. You know, there's an ending of human life. You got to show some empathy, and he's not showing any.
The optics are huge, especially in a case like this, where it could hinge on really what the jurors feel he was thinking at the time, because prosecution is accusing him of luring these family members to his house, and that's something that you could only figure out if you're inside of his mind or making a decision of it.